Hi, good evening, Namaskar. Welcome to Playing 11 Football. Um, आज एक आज सही अच्छा गेम था Hyderabad versus MCFC. Mumbai City won 2-1. Sorry, 2-0. They deserved absolutely to win that game. So we're gonna talk about that. That said, I'll welcome my partner Naval. Hey Naval,
है सुधीर।
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया। बहुत अच्छा मैच था। मुंबई सिटी ने बहुत अच्छा फुटबॉल खेला
बिल्कुल
एंड
बिल्कुल.
आई रियली एंजॉयड द गेम।
Yeah. So देखते हैं like how like it's kind of like a two halves for Hyderabad in a way. Because Hyderabad at least like first half there were some chances they were taking. I think they had a very good opportunity which they missed it. It was around like 43rd, 44th minute. Uh, Akash Mishraka he put in a cross and Yasir missed it. It was a bad miss. But other than that, I think Mumbai was dominating it.
Yeah, so I should say yes, Yasir's chance was, I mean, Yasir was a tad too late, maybe a microsecond.
Huh.
If he had connected it a bit better, then maybe we could have seen a different game, maybe a box to box game.
Yeah.
And yeah, Mumbai City overall dominated the game everywhere in the park, right? In their third, in the mid third, in the final third, everywhere they have pressed Hyderabad, won the ball, kept the ball, made beautiful crosses and shifting positional plays, right? And yeah, ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा गेम था देखने के लिए। एटलीस्ट आईएसएल का गेम का क्वालिटी इंप्रूव हो रहा है। यस।
Yeah, so let's take it as like let's see like two halves. So let's start discussing about the first half. So some of the things first half में आपने क्या देखा?
या फर्स्ट हाफ स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द गेम दोनों ही साइड थोड़ा पुअर खेले थे 5-6 मिनट।
Yeah.
दोनों भी मतलब दे वर स्लगिश a bit, I mean,
Hmm.
but going forward Mumbai City picked up but Hyderabad remained the same।
Yeah.
और अच्छा खेल सकते थे। आई थिंक अनफॉर्चुनेटली अपना अपना प्लेइंग 11 प्रेडिक्शन का वीडियो वाज नॉट अप बिकॉज ऑफ सम टेक्निकल रीजंस, बट उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था कि सौविक चक्रवर्ती को खिलाना चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ यासिर
Yeah.
एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ पुजारी वी शुड स्टार्ट कोलासो।
Colasso, बिल्कुल yeah. So
एंड
that
एक्चुअली yeah, and actually, I mean, we'll talk about the second half, but actually they were the main pivotal point, and because of their absence, Mumbai City actually settled in the first half।
absolutely yeah.
अगर वो
So
दोनों स्टार्ट होते तो सेटल ही नहीं होते। डिफेंस उनका अनस्टेबल हो जाता एकदम मिडफील्ड में बिकॉज सौविक विल बी प्रेसिंग रियली हार्ड। आई थिंक दे वुड हैव फाउंड इट अ बिट डिफिकल्ट टू सेटल itself, but they became very comfortable in 10-15 minutes only, Mumbai City।
yeah, बिल्कुल. So that's one of the thing I think I forgot to mention that जब हमने start किया था, we actually recorded preview of the game with expected lineup predictions. But unfortunately, जैसे नवल ने बोला, like the video got corrupted, so we really couldn't, and we didn't have time to again re-record it. But yeah, so one of the things based on that, like, first half, I think it would have been a right choice to have like Sovic over Yasir. क्योंकि both Yasir and Hitesh putting in there like defensively ज़्यादा कुछ contribute कर नहीं पाए. They were not able to press that much also, and that kind of left Hyderabad very open in the back. Just अगर आप देखोगे like the way Mumbai City था, उनका midfielder उनका defense like it was just synchronized था, like they were moving back and front एक like line में जा रहे थे. So anytime Hyderabad was attacking, like you could see like their defense was also back in the so the midfield was back in the defense. जिसके वजह से it was like crowded and Hyderabad didn't have much opportunity to pass or put the ball through.
या तो दे वर मूविंग एज अ यूनिट। ऐसा लग रहा था सब लोग एकदम सिंक में थे।
Yeah,
इट सीम्ड लाइक एवरीवन वेर कनेक्टेड विद अ लिंक। आगे पीछे साथ में मूव हो रहे थे। दे क्रिएटेड देयर स्पेसेस। दे हैड वेरी नाइस पासेस।
hmm,
मिस पासेस बहुत कम हुए मुंबई सिटी के। एट द सेम टाइम हैदराबाद के बहुत मिस पासेस हुए। whatever ball they got, they lost it easily also because Mumbai City was pressing really hard.
yeah,
And Mumbai City का timing भी बहुत अच्छा था प्रेस करने का। As and when the ball got released to a player, they started pressing that player, and also they were in the right place to press them. That is
yeah.
how they won the ball very easily. And yeah, I liked the game. of
Yeah.
Mumbai City today.
Yeah, the way they were playing in midfield or like defense, like if you'd see, especially one of the player that I kept seeing who kept losing the ball today was Hitesh Sharma. Like we kept talking, like Hitesh Sharma was like has improved a lot in last few games, but I think yeah, game I think you could see some vulnerabilities. I think that's one of the things. Like, agar Souvik Chakrabarti rehte, to maybe he would have had a better game, so that could have balanced it. But Hitesh Sharma, like you could see anytime he was having a ball, like maybe one, two players are pressing together, or maybe two, three players coming in together, sort of ball loose kar le rahe the. So which was like a lot of missed opportunities in that. And finally, like I think we put a beautiful cross. I think Akash Mishra, like he put a really beautiful cross, and Yasin had to take that. It's a bad mess. Like you really can't do anything about that. But let's discuss about like the Mumbai City ka pehla goal hua tha. Beautiful goal by Vignesh. You couldn't have expected anything better than that. Um, बहुत अच्छा pass with Bipin. But one of the things that actually led to that goal was, and this is like I think my partner Nawal also mentioned it in the previous videos against East Bengal, जहाँ पे like player like they're not tracking back to cover him, or वैसे same thing हुआ.
Right. Talking about the goal, kya goal tha. So from right side of the pitch to the left side of the pitch, it was a very beautiful cross,
Yeah,
right? And the exact weight of the assist from Vipin to who was that?
Vignesh.
Sorry, I forgot the name.
Bipin to Vignesh.
Vignesh, yes. Vignesh, yes. So the weight of the pass, assist, and the finish from Vignesh. Very beautiful football all over, which led to the goal.
Yeah,
And if you see, Vignesh should have been covered by either the defensive midfielders or Pujari,
yeah.
because he is a left winger. Mostly, Pujari should do that job.
Hmm.
But Pujari was somewhere in the middle of the park, leaving him alone.
Yeah.
And yeah, he made the right run and he got the right pass and he made a beautiful finish. I think it will be goal of the month or probably top three goals of this season.
Yeah, I think commentator be वही बोल रहे थे. I think this could be one of the goal of the season. But yeah,
Yeah.
like I think जैसे आपने कहा, like I think it was a beautiful goal. Now, no doubt. Like I think Vignesh deserves every credit, but I think Hyderabad defense should have done a little bit better, like trying to cover him up. When you give him that
Yeah.
opening,
So if
he took his
yeah,
opportunity.
if Vignesh had been pressed a bit earlier,
Yeah,
he wouldn't have reached there. So
बिल्कुल.
yeah.
And yeah, that's what pretty much the first half looked like. I think Mumbai City kept pressing hard, like, and that's one of the things we discussed in the last few videos also. Ki Hyderabad, when they get chance, they have to score, and that's been a worrying thing. I think that kind of showed up today in the loss. First half में chance आया, they didn't take it. If they would have taken that opportunity, maybe second half would have been a little bit different the way it would have started. But second half, I think Hyderabad was completely lost.
Yes. So second half, I think they were playing catch up, which is why they were really lost. They did not have a game plan.
Hmm.
मुझे लगता है this is the game to forget in terms of the result, but they should remember this in terms of what tactical changes they should make.
Yeah.
I think this is not really on the players. I should say this is more on the coaching staff and tactical play, right? So HFC could have adopted, a game plan according to Manchester City. You should also consider your opponents, right? So
According to
when
Mumbai
you're
City.
not really strong, yeah, when you're not really strong with your gameplay yourself, you're just getting there, right? Hyderabad was really getting there, but it was not really there,
Yeah.
correct? So Mumbai City was already set. They are already top teams in terms of passing, in terms of touches, everything, right?
Yeah.
So and also in terms of personnel, they have really strong tactical players. So we should have also considered opponents while making the game plan, but I did not see it.
Yeah,
Right.
बिल्कुल.
Say for example, in terms of tactical moves, right?
Mhm.
We had two players, but we had four Mumbai City people surrounded. We as in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah.
So Hyderabad had two players, but Mumbai City four players were surrounding them, and they won the ball easily, right? There was no backup plan. I mean, there was no one reaching out to the person with the ball to get a pass, right? Mumbai was going to the free spaces and receiving the balls.
Yeah.
So tactical loss tha ye. We shouldn't really blame the players because they did what they were told to. Apart from the individual mistakes, yes.
Yeah, I mean it's a bit disappointing game. Just say like बोल रहे थे, like I think one of the thing I really impressed me about Mumbai City was like the players were like अगर if Hyderabad had a ball, like you could see the players were coming and pressing him. It's just not one player. I
Yeah,
think at times there were like two, three players coming in midfield. They just crowded like they crowded up the midfield and defense so that जब ball डालना था like final third में, they were not even able to put the ball. I think second half में goalkeeper didn't even get troubled at all. And then like around 53rd minute or so, Liston Colasso का introduction हुआ था. Again, Liston Colasso being him, like he did trouble the players, but again that thing was missing. The final third, the ball was missing. Like I think even he couldn't do anything. And Aridane's role kind of shifted very drastically. Like I think he was backtracking in the midfield, bringing in the ball. He was the one who was actually creating an attack also. And
yeah,
that kind of gave us an opportunity around like 88th or 89th minute to go for a goal, but um, I think it was kind of way
OP.
too far away for a header. So yeah,
Yeah,
we couldn't really do much about that. But looking at Mumbai City ka second goal again, few things to look into the second goal actually that led to. One of the thing was Ode India. Like I think he being such a senior player and knowing in that situation, I think he should have just kicked out the ball out instead of passing the ball pass back. So which he did, and जब उन्होंने ball pass पीछे किया, uh, इनके पास आया था Rolling के पास. I think at that time Hitesh Sharma वहीं पे थे. I think he should have covered it up pretty good. Like, but he didn't do anything. Again, that's one of the assignment that he missed today. So, and that led to the second goal, Belafondre. And I think Subrata Paul should have done a little bit better. I think second goal, I think Subrata Paul should have. I think he should have done a little bit better for that. I think he had an opportunity to stop that.
yeah, opportunity yes, but I'd say it was 80% goal. 20% maybe chances थे. He could have done better, right?
Yeah,
20% chances उनको रोकने के, but I think it was a very good finish also, लेफॉन्ड्रे का. But at the same time, again, उधर कोई था नहीं, वो फ्री घूम रहे थे जस्ट आउटसाइड द पेनल्टी एरिया और
yeah,
उनको बॉल मिल गया, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा फिनिश किया. यू डोंट गिव सच चांसेस टू स्ट्राइकर्स, राइट? सो ए गुड स्ट्राइकर विल ऑलवेज make a good finish. So Lefondre did it, and yeah, he
yeah. I
has
think
5 goals in his basket now.
yeah, he scored really good goal, but I think for that, I think there were two people to blame for that to happen. Ekte Ode India just passing the ball back, and दूसरे थे Hitesh Sharma. I think he missed the assignment of covering Rolling Burgess. जिसके वजह से like he was able to create that pass and Lefondre ने score किया.
Yeah, and also the defensive midfielders who were not covering Lefondre
Yeah,
actually. And I think Hyderabad FC is more into zonal defending than
man
man
marking.
marking. I think they should also concentrate on this man marking thing. They are doing good at their own positions, but when we are having transitions, I mean, with there a lot of movement from opponents, then they are unable to cope with that, right?
Hmm.
So आपके हिसाब से नहीं जाएगा opponent कभी, वो तो स्पेस ढूंढेगा और स्पेस में जाएगा. So
Yeah,
you should be able to mark that man. So yeah, we should see how uh, Manolo will uh, take these points forward and how he'll make the changes and all.
hmm.
तो देखना पड़ेगा वो कैसे करेंगे.
Okay.
बट या मैन मार्किंग करना चाहिए.
Yeah, and one of the main players I think जिनके बारे में हमने बात नहीं किया, and everyone know that he's man of the match today, Ahmed Jahu. I think the way he controlled the midfield, the tackles, I think he was just amazing.
आई थिंक इट वाज अ परफेक्ट गेम फॉर हिम. एकदम फ्लॉलेस थे.
Yeah,
डिफेंसिवली बहुत अच्छा टैकल्स कर रहे थे, ऑफेंसिवली बहुत अच्छे पासेस कर रहे थे, क्रॉसेस मार के पूरा गेम का पोजीशन ही शिफ्ट कर रहे थे, राइट? सो या, he was actually creating all the offensive moves and making the right passes today. So even the crosses were bang on. So yeah, perfect game for him.
yeah, very good game. Definitely man of the match. Uh, but yeah, pretty disappointing loss for Hyderabad. I think they didn't do well in any phase. A lot of missed assignments. Hopefully, like this is something that they can go back, take a look at it, and hopefully, yeah, they can work on that.
Take a look at lot of things actually. So yeah. defensively, offensively, whom to start with, which team. I think they have a lot to look into from this game.
Yeah,
And also a huge shout out to Bipin Singh, who constantly was a threat on the left side area of Mumbai City. बहुत थ्रेट कर रहे थे वो, एंड हाँ असिस्ट भी तो उन्होंने किया था,
yeah,
तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल असिस्ट था. या ही हैड अ वेरी गुड गेम टू.
absolutely. All right. So, uh, yeah, that's pretty much we can think of like the game wise. Overall, I think Mumbai absolutely deserved the win. Uh, so yeah, we're going to take a look like player ratings. So let's start with the player ratings for Hyderabad players.
Yeah,
Okay.
so Subrata, I think, yeah, Subrato had a poor game again.
Yeah. Subrata had a
Against
very
East
poor game.
Bengal also he could have done better, but he did not, I think, work on his previous performance. So 5 for him.
Yeah,
He
I'll
could have
go with
done better.
five too because yeah, I think for first goal he really couldn't do much, but for the second goal I think he could have done a lot better over there. So that's something that I'll go with five. Again, that's something we talked in the last game also. East Bengal ke upar we see I think pretty much looks similar mistake.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo Ashish Rai.
Ashish Rai worked a lot. I mean, Bipin Singh made him unsettled.
Yeah.
But still, he was able to cover his territory.
Hmm.
The threat was from just outside his territory, in the central right side area.
Yeah,
तो उनका रोल उन्होंने अच्छे से किया. आई थिंक 6.
bilkul. Yeah, I'll go with 6.5. I think overall he did good, like hardworking, running around. But yeah, he was troubled a lot by Bipin. That's for sure.
He was troubled a lot, yes.
Or Akash Mishra.
Akash Mishra was a threat attacking wise. He made very good overlapping runs, right? Defensively also he controlled a bit. ठीक है,
Yeah,
तो आई वुड से 6.5 फॉर हिम. अच्छा गेम हुआ उनके लिए,
yeah,
एंड a lot to improve also.
yeah. I think I'll go with 6.5 too because I think yeah, as you said, like one of the goal opportunity that we had, which Yasir missed, was by Akash Mishra. He made some overlapping runs, but at times, like आप देख सकते थे कि second half में he was little bit tired. I think it's about time maybe उनको थोड़ा break मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि he's been almost playing 90 minutes for most of the games. So I think he needs a little bit break. So it looks like a little bit tired legs today. Like 30 times, like at times, like he missed some overlapping runs with when Liston Kolasa came in.
या
So
तो
yeah, so
एक ड्रीम वो तो एक ड्रीम क्रॉस था जो यासिर को आया था.
yeah,
एनीवन वुड ड्रीम ऑफ दैट क्रॉस कि एग्जैक्ट आपके सर पे आएगा, आप सिर्फ सर लगाओ बीच में.
yeah, बिल्कुल. I
It
think
had right weight, right pace, right at the right place at the right time.
बिल्कुल.
You had to only keep your head in front of it, and it would have been a goal.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I'll go with 6.5 with Akash Mishra. तो अभी चलो देखते हैं अपनी दो सेंटर बैक्स की. पहले शुरू करते हैं साना सिंह से. Uh,
Sana Singh also, I think he controlled his area well.
yeah,
At the same time, he could have also. I mean, I don't think he was anywhere near the strikers when the goals were scored.
I think yeah, first
So it
goal
was
he
not
was.
really his place where the goals were considered from. तो उनका एरिया उन्होंने अच्छे से किया. 6.5 for him also.
Yeah, so first goal ke liye, I think it wasn't anywhere near him, but second goal, I think again, like you know, or the entire defense was wide open, like pretty much pura
Yeah.
defense slept around. So nahi malum kya hua wahan pe. Like I think Lefondre just came in and scored. So that's something I
Yeah,
think. Yeah,
basically the entire communication of the defense was broken there.
yeah,
So
absolutely. So I'll go with 6.5 too, because just like overall defending wasn't good. Um, so रही बात ओडे इंडिया की, I think he did okay, but I think it was a very disappointing game based upon his performance, especially that one back pass which created the second goal. But yeah,
yeah, yeah. So again, against East Bengal also he was in discussion when we considered goal कि ठीक से नहीं किया उन्होंने. अभी ये मैच में भी वो बैक पास पता नहीं क्या क्या जरूरत था वो टाइम पे. He could have just cleared it and got more people in the defensive area, but he chose to make that cheeky pass which led to second goal for Manchester City, Mumbai City. So 5.55 5.5 for him. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go with 5.56. I mean, overall, like a good performance, but yeah, few mistakes, and just Amnica, like the defending was overall, like as a team, it was bad. The communication was bad. So, chalo. So we'll go towards midfielders. Midfielders शुरू करते हैं जा Victor से. Good steady performance, same old Ja Victor performance. But I think, yeah, I think he was missing his partners in the midfield though.
Yeah, I think he was the only one who was very much in control of what he was doing.
Yeah,
He was making right interceptions, right tackles, but he did not have company,
yeah,
right, to dominate that
well,
midfield, defensive
yeah.
midfield area.
I think he missed
So
his
I,
midfield partners completely today.
yeah, and I was a bit scared when his foot got stuck in the grass. So this is what I was afraid of at the beginning of the ISL. Ki if you are playing the matches in three grounds only, then you are you are looking for trouble.
Yeah,
Because pitches will get worn out, and you tend to see these kind of injuries going
well, yeah,
forward also.
yeah.
Luckily, Job Victor got out of it safely. But going forward, you can see more injuries like this. But yeah, Job Victor का performance अच्छा था. I think 6.5 for him as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go with 7. Like overall, like his was good performance, and जैसे आपने कहा, I think even my heart kind of stopped जब मैंने उनका देखा कि like I think he was injured with when the knee got twisted because he yelled he had like a big shout, like he had a pretty big yell.
Yeah.
So everyone thought it
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
like a major one, but luckily like he stood up and he went around, so it was good to see. But जैसे आपने कहा, like it's three grounds, like maintenance बहुत मुश्किल होता है, and you're having like the turnover rate for the games is immediately too. So you're not giving that
Yeah.
much time for the ground to get settled up, and anytime you do any maintenance. So these kind of injuries, I think, are something to look forward to, just to make sure like the players and pretty much every team that's going to have those problems. But yeah,
Yes.
जैसे हम बोल रहे थे कि I think midfield उनके midfield partners थोड़ा बहुत like I think disappointing थे. I'll start with Hitesh Sharma. I think Hitesh Sharma overall, I think this was one of the games for him to forget. Uh, just didn't have it in him. I think like he was getting pressed a lot and kept losing the ball. I think anytime he was getting ball, two three players were surrounding him, getting the ball away. And second goal ke liye, I think he should have done much better with rolling Borges. I think he could have he left him wide open to make that pass.
Yeah, so again, don't forget it in terms of your performance. Forget it in terms of results, right? So this is where you make improvements in your game. आपकी गलतियां आप पहचानो और सुधार करो.
Yeah,
So don't forget the game in terms of gameplay, but forget in terms of results. ठीक है?
yeah,
And I would go with 5 for him. Very
yeah.
average performance.
Yeah, I'll go with 5 too, and that's one of the thing. Like overall, like a very disappointing game for him. So hopefully, like he bounces back. Very young player. He has shown what he can do. So yeah, it's one of those games that happens to everyone.
Yeah, I don't think this match result would affect him because I think he's very much calm and composed. I don't think this will get in his way.
Yeah,
But yeah, poor performance in this game.
yeah. और दूसरे प्लेयर है मोहम्मद यासिर, जो मिडफील्ड में थे आज पार्टनरिंग जाव विक्टर और हितेश शर्मा. Again, I think that was a big mess in the first half. But other than that, I think Mohammad Yasir didn't really get going today.
Yeah, so I don't think he got much of the ball also. And whenever he got it, he lost it.
Yeah.
So I think his was the poorest performance today.
Hmm.
So I would go with 4.5.
Yeah, I think 4.55 is. I think 4.5 is way too harsh, but yeah, I'll stick with 5. It was bad performance overall. I think that's what caused Hyderabad a lot more problem. क्योंकि अपना midfield really went missing. Um,
Yeah.
so अभी देखते हैं like अपने wings में Hali Charan like I think hard working as usual, like running around. But again, like I think
Yeah,
that's one of the things. जैसे हम
contributing defensively also.
yeah contributing
Our
defensively, लेकिन
left side of the
attacking
defense was
लेकिन
Yeah, our
attack
left
में
side
ज्यादा
of the
कुछ कर
defense
नहीं
was
पाए.
comparatively. Sorry, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, so attack में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर पाए और like I think जैसे हमने कहा था like the final third was missing the balls, वहाँ पे आ नहीं पा रहे थे. He couldn't put his crosses together properly. So overall, I think not the best game. I think that's pretty much for the entire Hyderabad team, and even he's included. But I think he was hardworking, and yeah, he was contributing in defense.
या तो वही इस मैच में उन्होंने सिर्फ डिफेंस में ही कंट्रीब्यूट किया, ऑफेंसिवली वेरी लिटिल, यस, बट हाँ, तो 5.5 फॉर द मैच।
बिल्कुल। और रही बात अपने दूसरे विंग की, निखिल पुजारी, आई थिंक दैट्स आई थिंक या
वीकेस्ट लिंक।
yeah, he didn't have a really good game. I think एक था that play that where he should have covered Vignesh, uh, which he missed his assignment. I think that was a big miss. And other than that, he really didn't have much to offer and got substituted around the 52nd minute for Liston Colasso.
Yeah, so I think this is the same mistake from East Bengal game again. We already had three references from East Bengal.
Yeah,
Ki they should have tracked the midfield players, right?
yeah,
So they left them open and they conceded the goal. So I
absolutely.
think Pujari is right now the weakest link in the team. Uh, Offensively, defensively, yes, he is contributing a bit more, but not at the right places all mostly. ठीक है, करेक्ट जगह पे नहीं है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, गलत जगह पे दिख रहे हैं। या सो 4.5 5 फॉर हिम आल्सो।
Yeah, that sounds about right. Between 4.5 and 5, like not much he was done. अभी जो है forward की Aridane की Aridane, I think I'll go with 6.5. Like I mean, obviously, like we couldn't see him in the final attack. Like अभी जहाँ पे हमने यासिर का header देखा था, I think he should have been there. फिर I think around 88th minute में भी एक opportunity था जहाँ पे I think किसने ball डाला था, I forgot who put the ball in. I think Souvik Chakrabarti ने
किसके लिए?
I think 88th
या
minute में
सौविक है।
या सविक
यस
ने
यस
बॉल
सौविक
डाला
है।
था और आई थिंक वहां पे आरिडाने रहना चाहिए थे, लेकिन बट आरिडाने वाज वर्किंग हार्ड इन द मिडफील्ड, so he really wasn't up in the like he wasn't up in his like regular traditional spot of number 9 to take that opportunities because he was creating the opportunities and assisting in midfield.
Yeah, so we were not getting the ball, so Aridane had to drop deep to help the midfielders to
Yeah,
win the balls. तो वो ज्यादातर वही काम कर रहे थे आज, and whenever he got a chance, he put the right passes at the right place with right weight also, right?
yeah,
तो शायद एक दो मिसप्लेस किए थे पास, बाकी सारे passes in terms of attacking बहुत अच्छे दिए थे, which our other counterparts couldn't convert, other players. So I agree with 6.5, hardworking effort from him.
yeah.
Uh, yeah,
All right, so अभी substitutes को देखते हैं. So one of the first substitutes was Liston Colasso, जो आए थे पुजारी के लिए. He came in around like 52nd, 53rd minute. Yeah, and he came in, he troubled जैसे हम like we have seen in every game, like he can trouble the defenders. He has good movement with the ball and all that. He keeps the ball, but again, like there was not much he could do today. And on top of that, I think he got like a very silly yellow card for simulation.
yeah. So simulation, forget it. I mean, if you're two goals down, you tend to win free kicks and penalties. So that is one for the team. Okay. So otherwise, yeah, left side and right side of that pitch, he was troubling the defenders. There was no one really to take his passes.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think 6.5 effort from him as well. But considering the time on the pitch, I will give him 6. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go with 6 too, just considering the time. I mean, he did create some mismatches and all that, but overall, I think even he couldn't do anything much in the final third.
Yeah.
Okay, so, और रही बात नेक्स्ट आए थे सब्स्टिट्यूट
Sovic.
में सौविक चक्रवर्ती. जैसे हम बोल रहे थे कि one of the thing I think सौविक चक्रवर्ती should have started this game instead of Yasir because अगर आपने देखा था, was it against East Bengal or was it like one before? Sorry, I think it was against ATK.
80K.
ATK.
80K.
जहाँ
Yeah.
पे उन्होंने like he was pressing the ATK players that was causing problem because of that. Like ATK players had to make sure like they stayed back so that they don't get any sudden attack. So I say I think maybe we could have kept Mumbai imbalanced in that way, having Sovic, but
Exactly.
so Sovic came in around. I think he came later in the second half, around like 73rd minute or something like that. So there was not much he could do with given time, but I think I'll go with like 5.5.
I think he pressed well. I think he played well in whatever time he got.
Yeah,
Okay, he was constantly pressing. He was going forward and giving passes. I think it was a. I mean, midfield got better when he came in. So I think I would go with 6.
Yeah, I'll go with six too. I think I
Yeah.
mean that's the thing. Like he didn't have enough time to like cause any damage, but at least like he was causing a little bit trouble, but it was a little too late for that.
Yeah. So
Especially, I
against
think,
big teams, yeah, against big teams, you ought to trouble them, which others were not doing. At least Sovic did when he came on. So I think it was a good performance from him, whatever time he had.
और दो और बाकी दो सब्स्टिट्यूट्स भी आए थे. एक थे रोहित धनु. कुछ ज्यादा नहीं था. आई थिंक ही केम अराउंड व्हाट 88th मिनट. होपफुली ही कुड गेट अ अपॉर्चुनिटी. और दूसरे थे, हु वाज द अदर वन?
OP,
ओपी.
Galompia, OP,
या
हाँ.
या ओपी आए थे. आई थिंक ही वाज द वन हु मिस्ड दैट हेडर. Not
मिस
missed the
नहीं
head.
कर सकते, he
Miss नहीं
couldn't
कह
reach.
सकते. Yeah, he
Yeah,
couldn't reach it. Yeah,
हाँ.
that yeah. I think it was little too far away for him to reach. I think जैसे हमने कहा था कि अगर Aridane होते थे, that would have been right place. But Aridane was the one who actually created that opportunity. लेकिन हाँ, ओपी का
Yeah,
भी ज्यादा कुछ परफॉर्मेंस नहीं था, तो I don't think it we can rate either ओपी or रोहित धनु.
yeah. I don't think it's justifiable to rate them,
Yeah,
but at the same time, OP had few little moments uh, where he couldn't do anything actually. And Rohit Danu also came in late, so we let them pass. We will not rate them.
yeah. So I don't think yeah हम उन दोनों players को rate करेंगे because I think that's not gonna look appropriate. Didn't have much time to make any damage. But that said, the next game for Hyderabad is on Sunday, 27 December, और वो खेल रहे हैं against Kerala Blasters. और गेम है 7:30 का शाम में. So it's going to be a good game to watch against Kerala Blasters. So we'll come back with our next video looking at the preview of it. What to expect, what kind of lineup to expect, and what lineup will the coach go with, and hopefully we can talk about and see like what are the things that they need to correct themselves to go against Kerala.
Yeah, so South Indian derby होने वाला है.
Yeah. All right. So that said, we'll wrap this video up, and we'll meet you again for the next video. Thank you, Nawal.
Thanks, Sudhir.